Hello students, in this session we are going to study about the definition of normal form of a matrix and examples on finding the rank of a matrix using the normal form. So before we start up examples, we should first know what is the normal form of a matrix, how we are going to reduce the given matrix to normal form. See, as we know already how to find the rank of a matrix by reducing it to row reduced echelon form, this is one more way of getting the rank of the matrix by reducing it to normal form. How do you define this? Normal form, or it is also known as canonical form. So normal form or also known as canonical form. So you take a matrix A which is a non-zero matrix, which this can be reduced to any one of the following forms that we are going to write, which are called as normal forms of the given matrix C. So what are those four forms? ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ವೇ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ವೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. 2x2 ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 0 0 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದು. ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ತರ 1 0 0 1 0 0. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ತರ ನಾನು 1 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 0 ಕಾಲಮ್. ನೀವು 1 ಬದಲು ಇನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ another form of reducing the given matrix to normal form. And you can see this one. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ 0 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 0 ರೋಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, 1 0 0 1 0 0. Again for demonstration I have written only 0 row. You can have more 0 rows also. So this is again one more normal form of the matrix. And the last one which you can reduce the given matrix is, you can have a unit matrix along with 0 rows and 0 columns. Unit matrix of order R. So it's a 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 ಆ ತರದ್ದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Again I am telling you, for demonstration there is only one 0 column written, one row 0 row is written. You can have more 0 rows or more 0 columns. Okay, so if you can write the given matrix, or if you can reduce the given matrix to any one of these forms, then we say that the given matrix is reduced into normal form. And if you can get these forms, you can easily get to say what will be the rank of the matrix. So now what you see, you can see that in every form that we have here, in each of the 4 forms that we have, the rank of the unit matrix is unit matrix order is R, isn't it? You can see in all these 4 the unit matrix is of order 4. So that is the rank of the matrix. IR is the identity matrix of R, and the number R is called the rank of the matrix A, and it is denoted by row of A is equal to R. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So there are 4 forms, isn't it? Given matrix can be reduced to any one of these 4 forms, 1 2 3 and 4. So out of these 4 forms, this last form whatever we have here, this is called as the canonical form of the matrix A. So the 4th form is called as canonical form. Canonical form of matrix A. So that this is how you can find the rank of a matrix by reducing it to normal form. So in this case we may apply both row and column transformation. So you need to Importantly, note this here, because in the row reduced echelon form, we were restricted to operate only with rows. Okay, only row operations were allowed, whereas in normal form, you can go for both row as well as column matrices operations. Okay. Let us take a few examples to demonstrate the process of reducing the given matrix to normal form and hence finding the rank. So here we have the matrix 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 2, 3. Let us call this matrix as 1 first. Okay. Sorry, A. Let A is equal to 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 2, 3. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಇಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 1 ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅದು 1 ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕೆಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. What are the operations that we need to apply? R2 is R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 is R3 minus 3 R1. So the equivalent matrix that we are going to get is, first row we are not changing, 1 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 3 minus 2 into 1, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, 4 minus 2 into minus 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 minus 3 into 1, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 2 minus 3 into 1, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, 3 minus 3 into minus 1, 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so now you see the first column after the first row first column element, all the other elements have become zeros. Now what we will do is we will try to convert these two elements to zeros. This would be easy because if you try to follow this order, it would be easy, so that you are reducing one by one. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ 0 ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ 0 ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಬರೋದು, ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ 1 ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 0 ಆಗೋಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, now what we will do is we will go for the column operation. See, in normal form column operations are also allowed. So what is the operation that we need to do? C2 is C2 minus C1 and C3 is C3 plus C1. C3 plus C1. So the equivalent matrix that we are going to get is, first column ನೀನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 1 0 0. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಎರಡು ರೋಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 0 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 0 ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಜೀರೋಗೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ನಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏನೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ, 1 minus 1 0, minus 5 minus 1 into 0. So minus 5 remains as it is. Minus 5 minus 1 into 0, minus 5 remains as it is. Similarly, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 6 plus 0, 6. So these elements remain the same. So not much of the operations confusion will be here. 6 plus 0 is 6 once again. Okay. Now what is the next operation? We need to convert. Though I can see here, if you want you can convert this, subtract one from the other and make the third row as 0. That also can be done. Now what I am doing is, I am just doing R2 is R2 into minus 1 by 5. So what is the equivalent matrix that you are going to get? 1, 0, 0. First row. Second row is 0, 1, minus 6 by 5. And third row as it is 0, minus 5, 6. So if you want, you can convert this here 0 so that you can be reducing the number of operations also. So now what I have to do, this row, this element is 1. I have to convert the elements below this, because already above this are zeros. So I have to convert the elements in that row and in the elements in that column to be zeros. So what we have to do, let us, to make this one 0, I have to take R3 is R3 plus 5 R2. So the next operation is R3 is R3 plus 5 R2. So what is that you are going to get? The equivalent matrix that you are going to get is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 6 by 5, 0, minus 5 plus 5 is 0, and then 6, what is the next element you have? 6 plus 5 into minus 6 by 5. 6 minus 6 is going to be 0. So this element is 0. Okay, you can perform these operations in a side to a side. You can just write all these operations and then enter only the final answer here. So now this row, this column elements have become 0. I have to see to it that these elements also are going to be zeros. So for that, what I have to do, I have to take the operation C3 is C3 plus 6 by 5 times C2. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? The next equivalent matrix that you are going to get will be 1, first column ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮು ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 0 plus 6 by 5 into 0 is 0, minus 6 by 5 plus 6 by 5 into 1, minus 6 by 5 plus 6 by 5 is 0, 0 plus 6 by 5 into 0 is 0. So it is actually, is it in the normal form now? Yes, you can see it is the canonical form actually. Canonical form alli 0 rows matte 0 columns kuda irutte along with a unit matrix of order R. So this is of the form, yav form alli ide? This is of the form 1, or maybe I can write it as IR 0, 0, 0, right? You have a unit matrix and you have 0 columns, you have 0 rows, and with what is R here? R is equal to 2, because unit matrix here what we have is of order 2. Therefore, rank of A. How do you denote it? Row of A is equal to 2. So this is how you need to reduce the given matrix to normal form. Let us take one more example. Okay, this is not a square matrix, but this is 3 by 4 matrix. So 3 by 4 matrix ide, idana navu yavade matrix irli, we need to try to see to it that we get a unit matrix and remaining 0 rows or 0 columns we are going to get. Idanna hege madodu? Again we shall call this as the matrix A. Let A is equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 4, 0, 2, 6, 2, 1, 3, 1. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ, 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ 1 ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು? I can interchange these two so that I'll be getting the number 1 in the first row as a first row first column element. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? C2 is being interchanged with C1. So the equivalent matrix that you are going to get is for second row second column first column ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, first column second column ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, remaining 2 columns there is no change. -1, 6, 1. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಐದರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನಾದರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ ರೋನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನನಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೋದಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗೋಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಂತು, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಒಂದನ್ನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ರೋನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ನೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರೋನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಅದು 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. How will you do that? R3 is R3 minus R1. So the equivalent matrix that you are going to get will be 1, 0, 2, minus 1. First 2 rows ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. 0, 4, 2, 6. 1 minus 1 into 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 into 0 is 2. 3 minus 2 into 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus of minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is the matrix that we got. ಈಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 1 0 ಇದೆ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ C3 minus 2 times C1 and C4 is C4 plus C1. So the equivalent matrix that you are going to get is C1, C2, we are not changing. 1, 0, 0, 0, 4, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. And remaining we know. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 minus 2 into 0, 2ನೇ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 1 minus 2 into 0, 1ನೇ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 6 plus 0, same 6 element. 2 plus 0, 2. ಸೊ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ 1 ಇದೆನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ 1 ಇದೆನಾ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ 1 ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2 and here you have 2 and 6. So we can't do anything. We shall just try to convert this into 1. So what we will do, we will do the operation. Either you can do the row or you can do the column operation. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು, R2 is R2 into 1 by 4. So when you do that, what you are going to get? So here you will be getting 1. Here 2 by 4 ಅಂದರೆ 1 by 2. ಆಮೇಲೆ 6 by 4 ಅಂದರೆ 3 by 2. Let us write that. Okay. So the equivalent matrix that we are going to get is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 4ನ 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 into 1 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 by 2 and 6 into 1 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 6 into 1 by 4 ಅಂದರೆ 3 by 2. So what are the other elements that we have? The other elements that we have is, I'm sorry, I think I made I have written one extra row here. Let me not write that row. Only there are 3 rows. Okay. So 0, 2, 1, 2. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸಾರಿ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೋನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. R3 is R3 minus 2 R2. So the equivalent matrix that we are going to get is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then 0, 1, 1 by 2, 3 by 2. 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. And now we have to convert these two to 0. What are the operations that we need to take? C3 is C3 minus half C2 and C4 is C4 minus 3 by 2 C2. So the equivalent matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0, 0 minus half into 0 0, half minus half is 0, 0 minus half into 0 is 0, then 0 minus 3 by 2 into 0 is 0, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is 0, minus 1 minus 3 by 2 into 0 is minus 1. Okay, so what is that we need to do now? We shall just try to see here. Ega non-zero rows na we will push it to our side so that we can get it in the normal form. So we have to interchange these two. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? I can either interchange ನೋಡಿ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. What I should do is I can interchange C3 and C4 minus C4 ಅಂತಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ ಬೇಡ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we will first interchange and then convert it into C3 with C4 we will interchange and then write the final matrix. Okay, so that will be equivalent matrix will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1 and 0 0 0. So now what you have to do, just consider R3 or C3 anything into multiplied by minus 1 so that you will be getting the required matrix. So what is the operation that we need to consider? R3 ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, C3 ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. R3 into minus 1. So what is the equivalent matrix that we get? 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 minus 1 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 0 0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0. So now this is in the form IR0. So with R is equal to 3. Therefore rank of A comma row of A is equal to 3. Here is another example where we will have to reduce the given matrix to normal form and hence find the rank of the matrix. So ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐದರ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ may get converted as an unit matrix, or you will get a unit matrix of order which is smaller than any of either row or column that is present in that particular matrix, and the remaining will be 0 columns and 0 rows. We shall take up this example. Let us call this matrix as A. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 0 ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಾನು 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು 0 ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ and that is R2 is R2 minus 4 times R1. So the equivalent matrix that we are going to get is first row as it is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 4 minus 4 into 1, 0. 1 minus 4 into minus 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. 0 minus 4 into 2, 0 minus 8 is minus 8. 2 minus 4 into minus 3, 2 plus 12 is 14. The remaining 2 rows we did not have to convert because the elements in that first column are already zeros. 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 0 ಆಯಿತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಆ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್? C2 is C2 plus C1, C3 is C3 minus 2 C1 and C4 is C4 plus 3 C1. So let us do these operations. First column na ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay, -1 plus 1 0, 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 0 3, 1 plus 0 1. 2 minus 2 into 1 0, minus 8 minus 2 into 0 is minus 8. 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. Once again 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. Last column, minus 3 plus 3 into 1. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Okay. Then what are the other elements? 14 plus 3 into 0 is 14 only. 4 plus 3 into 0 is 4. 2 plus 3 into 0 is 2. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಈ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿತು, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ 0 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಈ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ನೌ we have to come to the second row, second column element, that is this element. This element is 5 here. I can either make that as 1 or see whether in that particular row or in that particular column can you see any 1? Yes, I can see in that second column this element is 1. So what we can do? We can interchange these two rows. What is the operation that we need to perform? R2 is being interchanged with R4. So the equivalent matrix is first row as it is, second row is now fourth row 0 1 0 2, third row no change 0 3 0 4, and now the fourth row is the second row of the previous matrix 0 5 minus 8 14. Fine. So now this element is 1. I have to see to it the elements below this are zeros and the elements in that particular row are also zeros. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ? ಯೂಶಲಿ ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು? C4, that is the fourth row, fourth column here. C4 is C4 minus 2 times C2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಆದಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೋನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. C4 minus 2 C2. Once again, okay, what was the matrix? 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 2, then 0 3 0 4 0 5 minus 8 14. And the operation that we considered was C4 is C4 minus 2 C1. The equivalent matrix is 1 0 0 0 0 1 3 5. Only C4 is being changed, so all the other 3 rows remain the same. 0 0 0 minus 8. Then 0 minus 2 into 0 0, 2 minus 2 into 1 0, 4 minus 2 into 3 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 14 minus 2 into 5, 14 minus 10, 14 minus 10 is 4. Okay, so now this second row, you can see that second row, second column element is 1 and all the other elements are zeros. What we have to do now is we have to convert these two to 0. What are the operations that we need to perform? R3 is R3 minus 3 R2 and R4 is R4 minus 5 R2. The equivalent matrix is R3 and R4 are being changed. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this time what is your expectation? These elements should remain the same. Okay, only here these elements should become 0. You can see 0 minus 3 into 0, 0. 3 minus 3 into 1, 0. 0 minus 3 into 0, 0. Minus 2 minus 3 into 0 is minus 2. 5 then 0 minus 5 into 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 into 1 is 0. Minus 8 minus 5 into 0. Minus 8 minus 0 is minus 8. And 4 minus 5 into 0 is 4 only. So this is how it is converted. What we will do now is we will see here still you can see that these elements are one and the same. But the problem is now you can see here there are 3 zeros here whereas here 2 zeros. So what we will do is we will interchange these two rows first. So what we will do R3 let us interchange with R4. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ zeros ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದು ಐದರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ interchange these two or I can interchange these two. Okay, what I can do now, I have changed R3 to R4. So the equivalent matrix is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 minus 8 4 and 0 0 0 minus 2. Convert. Now go to third. You can see that first row we have diagonal element as 1 and the elements below it and to it's in the same row are zeros, and the second row second element is 1. The elements in that particular column and that particular row are zeros. Now I have to come to third row third column element. So that third row third column element first should be 1 and the elements in that column and in that row should be equal to 0. So minus 8 now 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ R3 is R3 ಅಥವಾ C3. R3 is which one is better? R3 operation or C3 operation? So if you want to avoid the fraction, you can go for C3 because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎರಡು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು C3 ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, C3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದೇ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ R3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ R3 is R3 into minus 1 by 8 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ R3 is R3 into minus 1 by 8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what is the operation that I need to consider? I said I will be taking R3 is R3 into minus 1 by 8. So what is the equivalent matrix that we are going to get? 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 then 0 into minus because R3 minus 1 by 8 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0 into minus 1 by 8 is 0. 0 into minus 1 by 8 is 0. Minus 8 into minus 1 by 8 is 1. 4 into minus 1 by 8 is minus 4 by 8 which is minus 1 by 2. Then the last row as it is 0 0 0 minus 2. Okay, now you can see we have third row third column element as 1. Now I have to see that these elements below this 3 by 3, that means the elements in that column 3 and that row it should be equal to 0. That is third row third column. All the other entries other than third row third column common entry 1 and the elements in that particular column and in that particular row should be 0. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. C4 is C4 plus half of C3. C4 is C4 plus half of C3. So what is the equivalent matrix that we are going to get? Let us write it here. 1, 0, 0, 0, okay. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Only C4 is being changed. 0 plus half into 0, 0, 0 plus half into 0, minus half plus half into 1 is minus half plus half is 0, and minus 2 plus half into 0 remains as minus 2. Fine, now this 3 rows and 3 columns we have got, and only the last one we should check. And here there is only one entry. This entry you have to convert it as 0. Either you can take R3 is R3 into minus 1 by 2, or C4, sorry, R4 is R4 into minus 1 by 2, or C4 is C4 into minus 1 by 2. Since I am fond of row operations, let me go for R4. There is no hard and fast rule. You can take up the column operation also. R4 is R4 into minus 1 by 2. So the equivalent matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and then 0 into minus half, 0. 0 into minus half, 0. 0 into minus half, 0. Minus 2 into minus half is 1. So now this is where we have got a normal form, and we have got here, this is of the form I4, sorry, IR, isn't it? With R is equal to 4. Entire matrix ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದು 4x4 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 4 ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದರ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? therefore rank of A is equal to row of A is equal to 4. So this is how you need to convert the given matrix to normal form, and hence find the rank by looking at the identity matrix that you have got in that particular normal form. Here are a few practice problems which you can try to reduce to normal form and hence find the rank. So there are two examples. One is a matrix of order 4 by 4. The another one is a matrix of order 3 by 4. You can convert them, try to use both row and column operations, and hence reduce it to any one of the 4 forms that we have, either IR or IR0, IR0 in a row, or IR0 as a column, or IR with 0 rows and 0 columns, so that you can say R is the rank of the matrix. Hope you will be able to solve these two problems. There are few questions which will help you to check the understanding of the topic. So any non-zero matrix A can be reduced to the form IR0 is called the dash form of A. What do you call this form? It is in which form? So we know that there are 4 forms which are called as normal forms, and this is one of those forms. So your answer should be normal form. Okay. So normal form of A. Like that, if you have understood the definition and the process of finding the rank of the matrix by reducing to normal form, it will be easy for you to answer these MCQs. So here is once again one more problem. Again, this is with the help of the definition of the normal form of a matrix, you will be able to solve this. I am not going to tell the answer for this. You will be able to tell the answer by recalling the definition of rank of the matrix by reducing it to normal form. There is one more question. The rank of the given matrix and its normal form are. So you have to just look at what will be the answer. There are 4 given answers, out of which you are supposed to choose the correct one. And then if you have a matrix of this particular form, then what will be the rank of the matrix? So there are again 4 choices. You are supposed to choose the correct one. You just see here the example of a normal form is, you can just look at these 4 examples and see which are in normal form, and see all A, B, C, D, 4 answers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out of these 4, what is your correct answer? What is the correct answer? You choose the correct answer. So that will be helping you to know how much you have understood the topic. Hope you will be able to solve these problems along with the practice problems and know how much you have understood this topic. These are again few reference books which you can try to purchase, or you can refer through our library, or some of the books are available, freely available, which you can download from internet and try to take few more examples from those books and solve them to know how much you have understood the topic. Thank you.